When you search for push lawnmowers, everything looks pretty similar. Same features, same style, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, American Lawnmower 1204-14. First up is the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14. At $87.99, this little gem instantly caught my eye with its bright red finish and 14-inch cutting width. If you want a lightweight reel mower that's super easy to maneuver, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. With its 4-blade reel design and adjustable blade height ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, it's perfect for small lawns. Plus, the 8.5-inch wheels make it easy to navigate around garden beds and tight spots. This mower is also eco-friendly, as it's completely manual, no emissions or noise to worry about. Users rave about its efficiency, especially for grass heights up to 4 inches, which is ideal for those who prefer a natural-looking lawn. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on taller grass. Here's the thing though, if you keep your lawn well-maintained and mow regularly, this mower will perform beautifully. It's perfect for those who want an easy, low-impact way to keep their lawn tidy. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and care about the environment. Skip this one if you have a larger yard or let your grass grow too high between cuts. For the price, it offers great value without any frills. Now, if the manual operation of the 1204-14 isn't your thing, the next mower on my list might be more your style. Product number 2, Lawnmaster LMRM 1801. Next, we have the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801, priced at $99.99. This 18-inch mower stood out with its scissor-like cut that promises a healthier lawn. If you're looking for precision and easy height adjustments, this one's worth considering. Let's break down why this product is a great fit for you. The 5-blade system provides a clean cut without tearing the grass, which is crucial for maintaining a lush lawn. Plus, it has 9 cutting height positions, ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, allowing you to customize your cut based on your lawn's needs. The large 10-inch front wheels enhance maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around obstacles. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear this mower resonates with buyers who appreciate its motorless design for a quiet, pollution-free mowing experience. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit heavy. Honestly, while it is slightly heavier than others, the performance you get from the blade design makes it worth the extra effort. If you're physically able. Product number 3, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K Electric Corded Lawnmower, priced at $119.99. What caught my eye is its powerful 11-amp motor and 15-inch cutting width. If you want consistent power without the fuss of gas, this one is definitely worth looking into. Here's why this product can solve your mowing woes. With a whopping 3,300 RPM, this mower can tackle thicker grass without stalling. The 5 adjustable cutting heights from 1.4 to 3 inches give you flexibility based on your lawn conditions. And let's not forget about the 7-gallon collection bag. It keeps your yard tidy without needing frequent emptying. It's lightweight at only 28 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. On the downside, some customers pointed out that the cord can be a hassle, especially if you have a larger yard. I get it, it can be annoying to navigate around obstacles. But if you plan your mowing patterns, it really shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for homeowners with small to medium yards who want reliable power and efficiency. Product number 4, Earthwise 1715-16EW. At $115.61, this 16-inch push reel mower intrigued me with its unique 7-blade design. If you're after an eco-friendly option that does a great job on various grass types, this is a solid pick. Let's explore why this mower might be ideal for you. The 7-blade ball-bearing reel cuts grass cleanly, preventing damage to the blades, which is essential for a healthier lawn. It's designed to handle different types of turf, including Bermuda and Zoysia, making it a versatile choice. The adjustable cutting height between 0.5 to 2.5 inches allows for precision cutting depending on your grass type. Users appreciate its durable construction and low maintenance, which is perfect for those who want a straightforward mowing experience. However, a few users mentioned that it could require more effort to push compared to other models. Honestly, this makes sense given its 7-blade setup, but if you're committed to a greener lawn, the effort is often worth it. This is perfect for homeowners who are environmentally conscious and have a small to medium yard. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires less physical effort. For the price, it's a fantastic investment in lawn health. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, the final product might be just what you need.
Product number 5, American Lawnmower 1304 14GC, priced at just $58.24. This 14-inch mower offers a great entry point for anyone looking to keep their lawn neat without breaking the bank. If you're on a tight budget and want something effective, this could be your go-to mower. Here's why this product stands out. With its 5-blade reel design and adjustable height of 1 to 2.25 inches, it's designed for super clean cuts. The comfortable T-style handle makes it easy to maneuver, and it's made from heat-treated alloy steel, which means the blades will stay sharp for a long time. The fact that it's pollution-free and low maintenance is a huge plus for eco-conscious buyers. Now, some reviews noted that the cutting width may be limiting for larger lawns, but the reality is, if you have a smaller yard, this mower is a great option to consider. Plus, at this price point, the value is hard to beat. This is perfect for first-time homeowners or anyone with a small yard who wants efficiency. Skip this if you have a larger lawn or need more cutting width. For the price, it's an unbeatable deal.
To wrap it up, we looked at 5 fantastic push lawnmowers for 2026. The American Lawnmower 1204-14, Lawnmaster LMRM 1801, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K, Earthwise 1715-16EW, and the budget-friendly American Lawnmower 1304-14GC. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your lawn size and maintenance preferences. Whatever you choose, you'll be well on your way to a beautiful lawn this season.